A quick and healthy lunch in just 30 minutes. Start by cooking your rice. And please don't forget to subscribe, your support means a lot to me. Thank you. While the rice is cooking, chop the carrot, garlic, onion, and bell pepper. Slice the chicken into thin strips. Cook the chicken until it's fully done and nicely browned. Next, saute the onion, garlic, carrot, and bell pepper. Don't overcook the vegetables. It's perfectly fine if they stay slightly crunchy. Add gochujang or simply use chili flakes. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this altogether. I also add soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Cook the vegetables for another minute. Then add the chicken back to the pan and stir everything together. Let it cook for a couple more minutes. Serve the rice with the chicken and vegetables. For extra fiber, I also added some purple cabbage on the side with no dressing, just fresh and crunchy. Enjoy your meal and let me know in the comments what is your favorite lunch.